Nobody starts out as an expert in anything. That's okay. Don't be scared. We'll figure it out together.
What the?
I always kind of wanted to pet a fox. He feels really nice. I like to describe my style kind of as a classic traditional, but with a glam twist to it.
Darling, sometimes our green girls need a little haircut, and that comes in the form of pruning.
Everybody was crazy about fiddly figs, you probably remember. So I made one from paper, and it was just sort of an addictive process, and just kept making more, and then, yeah, that's how it happened. Dork.
We have a tradition where we like to start the new year off with a new craft.
And this year we're trying quilling.
Quilling!
I mean, this is chalk paint? This is chalk paint.
When I make something, I really enjoy taking time and care to do it properly and beautifully. Whenever I do this, it just starts to feel like the holidays.
Hey, happy Halloween!
Come on in.
Today, we're going back to basics.
Overwatering is one of the quickest ways to kill your plant.
Look at this thing. Can you imagine how many hours of work went into this? Come on, come on, come on.